as the company point in real life, or as the company is growing, you are making money. So it depends how you're trading it, whether you're just a short-time trader or long-term trader. Again, don't bother about all this. We'll explain this more detailedly as we get into the class. But that was just about stock market. It's just stock markets are just shares of company that are being represented digitally. So you trade them, you make money. If you want to short sell them, if you want to buy or long them as they move, you make money. And we also have the market that I'll be basing on, that this is the market that I put my whole life on. I trade 24/7. I love it because it's open 24/7. Like I saw some comment, some people were talking about we choose a Saturday where the market won't be open. Where in crypto market, crypto is open 24/7. You don't need to wait until Monday to trade crypto. That's why I love trading it. You can wake up on a Sunday morning, open your phone, open your laptop, and trade crypto. It's always active. All right. So we have the crypto market, which consists of which represent this digital asset like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoin, XRP. It's like last time I checked, it was about 2 million cryptocurrencies. So the reason being that the rate at which cryptocurrencies are increasing, it has tripled from the last 4 years. So there are so many cryptocurrencies that you can trade on a daily basis. There are so many cryptocurrencies that you can identify on a daily basis. This is why it gives you the opportunity than other markets. And let's just leave this for now. When we go more detail into it, we'll show you guys real time on those currencies. We also have the Forex market, which consists of trading of currencies like the US dollar and maybe your local currency, the US dollars and the euros, the US dollars and Canadian dollar is. I know when a lot of you hear about trading, the first thing that comes in your head is Forex trading, right? Because this is the biggest financial market. It's been existing. I don't have my facts right, but I think it's been existing more than any other market. And Forex trading has the highest, the largest volume of trading in a day. But unlike I was saying with crypto, this market only operate during weekdays. Unlike stock market only operate during weekday. That is Monday to Friday, but sometimes the futures open early on Sundays. But we will dive more into that if we have to talk about Forex. But yes, we're just giving you guys a clear differentiation, because Forex is the act of buying and selling currencies, different currencies. So if you think, or if because of some news, because of some economy, because of the chart, you think an economy is going down, right? Maybe you sell their currency, or what currency, if it's represented on a chart, and you sell it. If you go down, you make money. If you think your country economy is going up, you think the US economy is going to boom in the next 2 years, maybe next year, or something that make you feel like that, you buy low and you sell high and you make money while it go up. And we also have a futures market, commodities like gold. These are actually markets where you are trading them digitally, but they actually represent the real life price of this asset, like silver, like oil, like petrol, gas, like all this stuff. Like you're trading them. So if you already have an idea that you can buy and sell gold, and this market, let me say, this market is, let me meet everybody at least, please. So this market is a market that a lot of people, a lot of beginners, or some people that don't really know a lot about trading make a lot of money, because the last time I checked, gold has been going up like forever. The price of gold has been increasing forever. So a lot of people that trade this market only trade one side of trading. They don't most of them find it difficult when this market start to take another direction. All right. So that was just one of the market. We also have markets like the economies where you can actually trade. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me share my screen with you guys while I'm showing you guys this. Sorry for doing that. Should have been showing you guys actually the market. Sharing screen close. All right. Let's go to probably just share my desktop. Okay. Let's go to. Hmm, I have a lot of this stuff on my phone, man. Oh my God. Let me scroll and see. All right. Let's get this. This also I actually go back one step. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yes.
sure, we
yes.
can.
Yes, so this I forgot about this. I should have been showing you guys this. So these are actually the different type of markets. We've talked about stocks already. Like you can see, these are just the real life example that are closed right now. This is when they close at. They were this closed in Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. That's when the stock market closed. And we've talked about we've talked about forex. Currently, this is the forex pairs. These are just like currencies like the euro and the US dollars, Japanese yen and the US dollars, Great Britain pound and the US dollars, a lot of them. We've talked about we're on futures, and futures are actually stuff like gold, like I told you guys. This actually close to on the weekend on Friday. But if you look at this chart, if you look at the super chart, you will see that this stuff has been going up like forever. All right, this stuff has been going up like forever. So most people just trade this and they just try to see any small pullback like this. They keep buying for it to go up so that they can make money. But yes, so let's talk about different markets like okay, we've talked about the crypto market, which is our go-to, which you can see is live open. This is live open. All right. So this market is always open 24/7. This market is always open, so you can always trade it at any time, monthly, weekly. So this market is always open. This is just Bitcoin. And if I bring my chart right here, you see that I've actually favorized a lot of these, and these are just different type of crypto. You can trade them whenever you want.
Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt, but how do you determine if a market is open or closed?
So again, like I said, the different type of markets, the market that you choose will determine, you have to follow up with it. The market that you choose, you will know the trading time. You have to know when it's open and when it's closed. I do not determine that. So just like I said, crypto is always open 24/7. So long as you see this price action moving, this candlestick, this time moving, this numbers showing different. Let's put like small time frame so that you can see. So long as you see this moving up and down, you know that it's actively open. But for something that has closed, you will see that it's top here. You will see a certain date. You know, these are candlestick. We'll talk about it later. But so long as you open a chart and you see it doing something like this, showing a line like it's moving up or down, you know that market is open to be traded. Don't know if I answer your question or not, but yeah, I don't have a lot of information about that than just to know that there are certain market that open in a certain period of time and there's some other market that does not open. Okay, let's talk about this next market, which are indices. So indices is just like this basket of companies. It's just like unlike stock market, you can they're just like companies like stock market, but on indices, it's just like one company, just like a basket, just like you go into the market buying different stuff, buying rice, buying granite, buying beans, all of them is coming to your house. You want to put them in one pot. So indices are just like a basket of stocks, basket of companies that you put them all together and you buy them or you trade them as well. Like I don't know whose question was that. Like you see, this say it was open